Hello, hello guys. Hope you are well. And now we are back on our day 4. So, guys, today we are going to use CK editor for our blog app. Right now we have a field in text area field to add description, but we want to make it more better for the blog descriptions. Okay, so guys, for that we have to search about CK editor, Django CK editor, and here is the library. We can follow the steps to install it and use it. Okay, here we go, installation. We can open the details. So here we are, pip install CK editor. So guys, let me just clear. We can write pip install Django hyphen CK editor. So let me just click it, and we have installed that. Actually I have installed that before in our environment, so if you don't have, you can install it. So here we go with that. Let me run python manage.py run server, and here we go with that. Okay, so to use CK editor we have to set it up in our settings file first, so that we will be able to use it. So for that we have to write CK editor, CKEDITOR editor, and here we go with that. After that, what we have to do is we have to set our field for which we are going to use. So let's come back to our models file. So in our models file, first we have to import it. So from CK editor dot fields, from fields we are going to import a rich text field. Okay, so here is it, and what we are going to do is we are changing our description field into our rich text field. So here we go, and after that what we can do is we have to run migrations. Here we go. Okay, migrations are done. Let me migrate as well. So here we go, run server again. So let's just refresh, and here we are going to have some changes in our this field. So guys, now it's not responsive as well, but after this step what we are going to do is we are using our forms, so we have to set that field in forms as well, so we will be able to see the settings for our CK editor fields. And for that, first we have to import from CK editor dot fields, import rich text form field. Okay, so after that what we are going to do is let's remove this first. We have removed, and we are going to specify a rich text form field. Okay, so here we go. So after this there will be another step to perform, and let me just check into our admin side if it's working fine out there. Let me just log in. Right now we don't have that. So guys, I will show that after these steps. So before that, what we are going to do is we have to go to our file, HTML file, in which we have specified that this is our form fields. So here what we have to write is form dot media, and this gonna perform that all functionality for CK editor. So let me refresh, and here you go. You see here we have the fields to use different menus, and let me just copy this, and you can perform any kind of functionality we have out here. It's bold, and if you say we are going to change color or whatever we are going to say, we can do the stuff. And after that, let me just install. Here we go, and installation. Let me submit this. Okay, we have one more blog. Let me open. So if you come back to our page and see here, it shows paragraph p HTML codes like this. Okay, let me open this, and you see here we have the elements as well. So for that, what we are going to do is we have to specify in our code that clean these descriptions, so such that it will not show us as this. So for that, what we are going to do is we have to move towards our blog page and description. Let me write it safe, and in details here we are going to specify safe. So now let me refresh this again. So here we go. You see here is the settings we have specified for our details. So guys, this is the step for this. Let me just do one more thing for our admin side as well, so it will be visible out here that models we have made. So for that, what we have to do is we have to move towards our admin file. For that, inside that, what we are going to do is from models import, and we have to import our blogs. After that, what we are going to what we are going to do is admin dot site dot register, and inside that we are going to pass our blogs. So now our blogs will be available on our admin side as well. Let's go inside that, and here are list of blogs we have already add, and we can add another one new, and here you see now we have that field out here as well. So guys, this was our day 4. So in next video we are going to make a users and that can log in and use their own blogs out here. So guys, for until next video, see you, bye.